Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go.
Alright guys, we are on our way to South Australia, we're on our way to Beachport. We do this trip probably once a year. Got the 300 EXC in the back, so my 501 still at the service center at the Husky dealer, waiting for the insurance job to be done. It's about $4,000 in damage from my last off, and the 950 Super Enduro has been sold to somebody in North Victoria. So the only bike I have right now is my 300, but that's fine. It's going to do well in the sand anyway. So we are 30 minutes from Inverleigh. I'm going to meet up with a few of the other boys, and then we're going to do the 5-hour drive up to Beachport. We're going to be camping in the dunes this time, not an Airbnb, so it's going to be pretty awesome. We're going to do some four-wheel driving, some spearfishing maybe, and a whole lot of motorbike riding. What's happened, Pino?
I don't know, man. What's happened to the tire?
Pino's been doing some carpentry and didn't pick up his screws.
Yeah, that's it.
What's the pressure?
You have to always clean your tube behind. What is the gauge pressure?
So we're at Mount Gambier, Macca's,
Want to screw that out?
and we're
We'll
going to
wait,
do a quick tyre repair. Put a plug in before we get to the beach and air down.
Yeah.
Hopefully it holds.
36.
Yeah, 30.
Yeah, it's still there, mate. I wouldn't touch the vacuum.
Okay, we've made it to our dropping off point. This is the start of the pretty normal track, to be honest. It's a bit sandy, but nothing special. And then we get spud out on the other side. There with some nice rocks, a nice view, and then we just start riding along the beach. Got a WR250R, WR250F, got the 501, my 300, and we even got a DR650. Uncle Corn is not riding on this trip because he's done a meniscus in his knee, so he's going to be cooking for us. Anyway, let's start driving.
Ain't got time to kid, I got time to feel. I took a red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Wow, busy everywhere, man. Busy.
How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say that.
It's just after 4 o'clock and we've got to camp now. Got a few of the cars here set up. The beach is just over that green dune there, and all the sand and all the playgrounds there behind us. We've camped here once before, I think last Christmas. Anyway, awesome day, no one got stuck. The Hilux made it, which was a shock, but the ranges were there.
Oh, fucking doubt that wouldn't do it. The girl is a beast.
We all just hopped in the Hilux in the tray and came up. Beautiful view here just by the camp. Probably a 20-meter walk.
The big one, yeah.
I have to be very hard.
What I don't get right is with those big fish.
Okay guys, this is day 2 of Beachport, our Beachport trip. Weather's looking pretty average today.
but I guess at least it's a little cooler. It's a little moist, a little damp, so the sound's a little firmer than what we're expecting, which is good. Thomas, we changed his tyre, so that's all good to go. So there's gonna be 5 of us riding today. I think I'm the only one on a 2-stroke today. Everybody else is on a 4-stroke. So we've got the big DR650, we've got a WR250R, WR250F, and a 501 Husky. And I'm here on my 300. Haven't ridden this thing in a long time, but good to be back on it. Anyway, guys, let's see what happens today. If there's any shenanigans, let's see if anything goes wrong. Okay, so our plan is to try and get to that dune there, where you can see a few tracks. It'd be also quite cool if we could get our 4 drives there later. Anyway, there goes Pino. Select second gear. Let's go. Oh, steep. Oh, looks like there are a few 4-wheel drives stuck here last night. Some nice deep ruts. Oh, we need a stand. Come on, Luke. Lazy fuck. Oh yeah, there she is, I think, if I remember correctly. This is the big girl. Well, not that big, but the way the wind blows here, it's always a big steep-faced dune here. Tracks everywhere. There's a whole bunch of cars. Wow. I can't believe how many people are here. It's the busiest I've ever seen it. Yeah.
Fuck, you know, I'm gonna unplug this light.
There goes Andy. Seems pretty freaking soft today. Oh shit. I tried second, but fuck, it's soft. Phew. Here comes Thomas. Oh no! You been dead. Here comes Pino on the WR250F. He rides on the limiter, so no problems here. Okay, here comes the 501.
No, we should come up with the Jeep after. With the...
Yeah, I can't wait to come 4-wheel drive. nearly went off the edge. Feel like it needs more speed. Just stopped for a quick break, and yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Thomas is down there. We all got a bit of reception. We didn't have reception last night at camp, so as you can expect, we're addicted to our phones, so we've stopped here for 10 minutes to make phone calls to loved ones and check our Instagrams. Now we're gonna try and head off to that dune just there in the background. Let's see if we can make it. The WR 250F, we did a head gasket on that 2 weeks ago. We replaced it because there was oil in the coolant. No oil in the coolant anymore, but it still seems to be overheating a bit. So we're gonna have to try and fix that a bit later too. Whoa! Fucking hell! Holy shit! That put me off. He just came over. I thought it was just a crest that just dropped. Holy shit! Anyway, that was funny. Thomas didn't make it up this one. Oh no! Oh, sir! Oh! Same thing. Guess we took the wrong line. Nice. Good job.
What? You out? Yeah, no, but I fucking smashed. I went to hit it so hard.
Down there, yeah. Look pretty hard. Oh yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Let's go.
We're going. Good job. Public holidays in Beachport are insane. We've got while I knock everything down, got cars going up there, cars all here, cars, let me see if I can zoom in, as far as you can see up there. So these guys here have de-beaded a tyre, they're changing their tyre. The beach is just over here and there's a whole load of cars stuck there as well. When we came in on the bikes, we saw a shitload of people stuck. So note to self, if you come to Beachport, get here early. So it's not just traffic jams everywhere. Day after a long day, riding and full driving, there's nothing like a pizza and pizza oven. Doing it hard. Okay, here we go. Hang on.
Meat lovers.
Okay, I'm ready. It's all for the gram. This is living it rough. Do you know how expensive it was for us to pay for a private chef to come all the way to Beachport just to cook for us?
Oh, you saved it, mate.
It's what happens when you invest in Bitcoin early, boys.
And now you have to start from the center, going to the outside. Yeah. From the center, pushing. No pulling, pushing. Yeah. From the center.
I don't know what we're...
Yeah, there you go.
This is amazing. It's like one of those TV shows where, you know, it's like charades. It's like the guy, he can't touch it, he's getting angry because he's not doing it the way he wants.
Bravo, sì.
Okay.
Yes.
That looks...
That looks good.
Have we got a rolling pin?
No.
No, you don't use the wrong.
Okay.
Wait, no. Wait.
Sauce.
Tomato first.
A bit more, be generous.
Yeah, but
Pack some cheese?
No. Cheese, mozzarella, mate. Make mozzarella like everywhere. You wanna eat even the fucking mozzarella on the border, eh?
Oh.
Come on.
No.
Hey,
no.
oh. Lucas.
This is so good to so good to gnawing it.
What is this?
Gnawing an Italian. What is this?
What is Thomas? Hey, Thomas. Fucking a steak, mate. It's not a slice of salami.
The steak.
Steak, salami, pizza.
Come on.
You stuck.
The pizza is
Lift
fucking
up this shit, man.
half the size now.
No.
All right, let's put
No,
it in.
because you do this shape.
Yeah.
It's a calzone now. So
Oh, now it's bravo, see?
Okay. Now we hope we get it in here.